Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. In the name of Allah, the gracious, the merciful, the omnipotent, the omniscient, the omnipresent, and the creator of all colors of life. Ladies and gentlemen, in the razzmatazz of today, where all of us are gathered here to share, boost, explore, and galvanize only one phenomenon, that is called boost the confidence. In this prestigious gathering, when I saw around, I saw shining faces, inculcated charismas. But again, when I saw around, I saw the faces with the hopes of becoming great unanimously. But after this heartwarming feeling of mine, my inner was hit by an antagonistic thought. That thought made me sad. And that thought was that yes, everybody here wants his confidence to be boosted up. But who will tell me exactly that how to boost the confidence? Like the poet says, ये कहाँ की दोस्ती है कि बने हैं दोस्त ना से? ये कहाँ की दोस्ती है कि बने हैं दोस्त ना से? कोई चारसाज होता, कोई गमगुसार होता. So today, with all the weak knowledge and humble effort of mine, I have tried my level best to find the answer of this question called how to boost the confidence. And I have named this answer as be yourself. But before becoming the perpetrator of this portrayal, I would like to mention the hadith of our holy prophet. May peace and blessing be upon him of Allah. He says, Man arfa nafsahu faqad arfa rabbuhu. A person who recognizes himself, he recognizes his God. जिसने अपने नफ्स को पहचाना, उसने अपने रब को पहचाना. But here a question arises, then how can I know about myself? How can I recognize myself? How can I learn about myself? For example, if I say, I'm the one who goes to a school, college or university for learning, I'm the one who takes lectures, notes lectures, and I'm the one who does everything that is needed by an efficient student, then why I'm not having the confidence of proving myself? Why I forget things when somebody asks me, that what have you studied 1 month before? The reason behind this forgetting is that I haven't learned things at all. I was just repeating the things those were told to me by my teachers, by my elders, by my surroundings. And I've never tried to add something from my behalf. So if there is no personal induction of mine, then how can I do the actual learning? Lung Zhao, who is a very famous social scientist, he elaborates actual learning by saying that peripheral learning or unnecessary learning is more important than necessary learning or actual learning. For example, if somebody asks you, that do you remember the lectures of your school which were actually memorized by you by spending all of your days and nights? So you would say definitely no. But if somebody asks you that do you remember the jokes of your class, the picnic of your school? So you would say yes, I do remember. Why? Because those jokes were peripherally learned, which are of more permanent nature. So Lung Zhao says that we have to make the classroom environment in such a manner where suggestions of students must be taken into consideration. Because if I am not adding something from my side, then how can I know that what am I capable of? So distinguished ladies and gentlemen, in order to find yourself, you must be yourself. In order to boost the confidence, you must do self-exploration in each and every moment of your life. You must be extremely anxious about each and every fragment of your time and you must realize that how much this time is fragile and precious. Like a poet says, वक्त कम है, बहुत है काम, चलो. वक्त कम है, बहुत है काम, चलो. मलगजी हो रही है शाम, चलो. जिंदगी इस तरह तमाम न हो, जिंदगी इस तरह तमाम न हो, काम रह जाए ना तमाम, चलो. And they say, if you want to understand the importance of a month, then ask a mother who gave a birth to a premature baby. If you want to understand the importance of a week, then ask the news editor who has to publish his weekly news magazine, and he has to cover all the news of the week within that 1 week magazine. If you want to understand the importance of a day, then ask a student who is having a difficult most paper tomorrow and he is having no preparation. And if you want to understand the importance of an hour, ask those two lovers who are going to meet with each other within 1 hour. And if you want to understand the importance of a second, then ask a person who has saved himself from an accident, which is the matter of second. And if you want to understand the importance of a millisecond, then ask the person who got silver medal in Olympics just by the difference of a millisecond. So distinguished ladies and gentlemen, in order to preserve yourself from backlashes, in order to be yourself, you must utilize each and every second of your time in the best possible way. It is the fear that destroys your inner identity. And that is why, after being gifted with a lot of confidence, we are not able to show our confidence and start behaving metaphorically. In English, there is a very famous saying. It says, the greatest barrier to the success is the fear of failure. So, in order to inculcate yourself with real confidence, you must be yourself. If you can win this fight against yourself, then each and every moment of your life will be poured with the blood of confidence. Like a poet says, जब सोना आग में पड़ता है, तो कुंदन बन के निकलता है. जब सोना आग में पड़ता है, तो कुंदन बन के निकलता है. मकसूद मेरा पूरा हो अगर मिल जाए मुझे दीवाने दो. Thank you very much. So, my respected ladies and gentlemen, I would like to end this oral training session with these deep sayings of Hazrat Maulana Rome, who says, in order to achieve success, you have to die. Before you actually die, in order to know that there is no death. Wow! What a spectacular idea it is, isn't it? That welcomes us to try each and every ground with full zeal and confidence. Because there is no death. There is a success that is waiting for you after finding extreme in everything. So I would like to envelop this oral training session with these beautiful lines of Urdu, which says, मैं कहाँ रुकता हूँ अर्शो फर्श की आवाज से, मैं कहाँ रुकता हूँ अर्शो फर्श की आवाज से, मुझको जाना है बहुत ऊंचा हदे परवाज से. जो खाक में मिले उसे मिलता है आशना, जो खाक में मिले उसे मिलता है आशना. ए आजमाने वाले ये नुस्खा भी आजमा. Thank you very much for your patient listening and for your elegant behavior. May Allah bless you all and gift you and save you from every Frankenstein of your life. Thank you very much.